Hey guys, Dalton RV. We've got a nice trade-in that we just received from a customer that purchased this brand new from us. Their family grew, so they needed to go up to a larger unit. This camper is very clean, very well maintained. It is a 2021 Wolf Pup 16FQ, so that is a front queen bed. It is a Murphy bed. We'll do a little quick walk around and take a look at it. So it's got a 17 foot box, so about 20 to 21 feet in total length. Up front you do have the tongue jack with the crank handle, 20-pound propane bottle, and a deep cycle marine battery. All that is kept charged by a 500-watt solar panel on the top of the camper. Also has a voltage meter and a quick disconnect on the inside. You have storage here underneath the camper. It has the Cherokee stable step system, a 12-volt power awning by LCI. It can be controlled by the panel inside of the camper, as well as a smartphone app that you can download on your phone and control your camper, lights, awning, anything like that from your smartphone. Outside you do have exterior speakers, 2 of those which have the blue LED backlighting on them. TV bracket, of course the black aluminum wheels, cable and satellite hookups. You have a outdoor mini kitchen with the mini fridge, serving top here, as well as the quick connect gas line underneath that allows you to hook up any gas grill or gas appliance. This is your leash latch. Keeps your pups in control while you're unloading or loading your camper. It's got the flip down travel rack, full size spare tire. The exterior of these have a tough coating on it, which is a smooth coating, and it prevents any fading. Very durable material. Has an outdoor shower right here. Does have a black tank flush. Take a quick look inside. Again, on these Murphy beds, the couch just folds down, that mattress folds over, and there you have your queen size bed. You do have the wardrobe closets on each side of the bed with a rod in there, cabinets above. These do have the CO2 and smoke detectors. 13,500 BTU AC. It has gas propane heat furnace. The dinette does convert into a sleeping area, so it'll sleep 3 comfortably. Total, the whole camper would sleep 3 comfortably. Here's your voltage meter here. It's got a solid surface compressed membrane countertops, very durable and easy to maintain. Deep stainless steel sink. Of course, a soap dispenser, nice faucet. These have a 2-burner cooktop with the glass flush mount area, so if you need some flat area for prep work, you can always close that up before you start cooking. Over here you've got the control panel, which again does have the LCI One Control smartphone app for your phone. You have the driven audio system with your indoor and outdoor speakers, as well as a ceiling mounted 8-inch 200-watt subwoofer. TV bracket on the wall. Cable and satellite hookups. You have the black stainless steel, about 10.8 cubic foot fridge and freezer. Very nice fridge and freezer in these units. Of course, a microwave and a vent hood. These have a great bathroom for such a small camper. This bathroom is really large enough to get ready in, I call it. So it's got plenty of floor space, great vanity and sink area. And over here you've got your shower, which is a good sized shower. It does have the vent here in the bathroom, electric. Come see us at Dalton RV, 706-529-3300. That's 706-529-3300. And thank you for watching.